Hey everyone, I'm so excited you're watching this video. If you're watching this video, it's because you would like to learn more about local business digital marketing bootcamp. And what you see here is what it looks like more than likely on your side when you're not logged into the course. But essentially what you are going to do is choose a course that you want to enroll in. So local business digital marketing bootcamp, whoops, local business digital marketing bootcamp, this element right here actually includes access to a Facebook group, two one-on-one training sessions, and then all of the material as well. So if that's a course that you're interested in, then you would just hit enroll now, and then you'd go through the enrollment process. And then if you're interested only in silo chapters, so if you're only interested in Google My Business, search engine optimization, or social media marketing, then you can purchase these courses as well. They're deeply discounted because they don't have access to the Facebook group and the one-on-one training session. So this is an option for you as well. And then whenever you choose a course, so either you choose a silo chapter or you choose the whole kit and caboodle, what you'll be brought to is a checkout page that looks like this. You'll type in your information, you'll make a purchase, and then you will automatically be enrolled in the course and you'll automatically go through the course. So once you're logged into the site and you've created a login, this is what your navigation is going to look like on my website now. So let's say you access the course and then something happened, you need to revisit it at a different time. You would just go to my website, you would click on my courses, and then from there, you will access the courses that you are enrolled in, and then off that you go. So I wanted to show you inside local business digital marketing bootcamp, and then we can break down each chapter from there. But here you have what it looks like whenever you start the course. So it actually starts with a introduction video that thanks you for purchasing the course, and it gives you a highlight. So on the left here, you have the navigation, and then you have your main curriculum right here. So it starts with an introduction video, goes into buyer persona development, and then it goes into Google My Business, all of these lessons within Google My Business, all of these lessons within website, and then all of these lessons within social media marketing. So depending on, what you purchase, it could look a little bit different for you, but generally speaking, this is what it looks like. So taking a look at Google My Business, we start off with an introduction to Google My Business listings. And basically this is where I explain, what is a map pack? How do you get in the Google My Business map pack listings? How do you rank? Things of that nature. And then we get into how to claim a business. And then my favorite video is the Google My Business features video because it is 20 minutes and it literally goes through every nook and cranny within Google My Business and how to optimize your listings. And then there's also a video here that teaches you how to schedule Google My Business listings or postings on Google My Business. Then we get into the things not to do on Google My Business because there are a few rules that you do not want to break. And then we ease into a Google My Business WAR file and why you potentially need a Google My Business WAR file. The WAR file includes a template, and it also includes information about agency, which is what you want to use if you need to back up your reviews. Now we go into search engine optimization. And this chapter is really good for anybody who has a WordPress or a Squarespace site specifically. If you do not have those sites, that's totally fine. You can still apply this information if it's like Shopify or something. But we dive into the basics of SEO, and then we really get into the trenches of how to identify keywords and key phrases. I complete an entire exercise with you on how to find these items, what to think about whenever you're looking for keywords and key phrases. And then we go into the headers, title tags, alt tags, and meta descriptions chapter, which basically teaches you how to then implement each one of these items on your website so that way people can find you on search. Then we build pages together on Squarespace and WordPress specifically. We talk about links and citations. And then I also show you how to add Google Analytics and Facebook Pixel and how to access the Google Search Console, which will also be helpful for you later down the road in your journey. And then the social media marketing chapter includes an introduction to social media marketing, content strategy, a hashtag strategy, which also includes a guide, one-liners, bios, and links, which really talks about your messaging strategy on social media. And then I also go into tips for Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and YouTube. And then there's a thank you video. So that is that is Local Business Digital Marketing Bootcamp high level overview. Depending on, where you're watching this video, this could be a silo chapter on Google My Business or a website or social media marketing. I really wanted to show you really how you access the course, because this is something, this is something that I think is really valuable, and it makes it super easy for people to revisit the curriculum. So once you're logged in and you purchase it and you're good to go, only thing you need to do is just to go to the website and then click on my courses, and everything will be right then and there for you right here in this my courses section. So if you have any questions about Local Business Digital Marketing Bootcamp or any of the silo chapters, please let me know. I would love to help you sort through these questions to make sure this is the best course for you. I also have a free course on my website, actually. And if you learned a lot in that training course, then you'll definitely love Local Business Digital Marketing Bootcamp. So just something to keep in mind. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you.